Angalia yule jamaa huko. Angalia yule jamaa naando huko. So guys, this is what Nairobi looks like. The past 1 hour imekuwa ni mbio, imekuwa ni kizaazaa. People have been tear gassed, and 2 journalists have been injured so far. That's what I can confirm. But watu ambao wamepigwa, yes. Maandamano imeanza. Watu wamepigwa tear gas, so hatujui kama imeanza ama haijaanza.
Niko sawa. Niko hapa bwana.
Umeanza mapema. Watu hawajaingia town.
Ndio, utaongelea huyo mtu kidogo.
Ongea mkubwa. Ongea.
Ngoja pia mimi nikawa.
Okay, sawa. So far wewe umekuja
kidogo.
Nasemaje?
Kuhusu maandamano?
Yes. Anything that you feel.
The constitution.
Endelea.
Ndio wanataka kupiga tear gas. Yes.
The constitution is very clear.
Endelea tu. Oh, usiogope.
The people, the sovereign power belongs to the people. And if the sovereign power belongs to the people and they feel mistreated, misgoverned, they have a right to demonstrate. And so my advice to the president, if people have lost trust in you, this was a social contract. They should do the best thing and resign. You don't impose yourself on the people who are not willing. This is like a marriage. If it was working, you call it off. And then the constitution talks of the citizen rights. We are citizens of this country. And then the next thing, it talks about consumer rights. When the services of the government are not adequate and of quality to the consumers, we have a right to say no. So you don't impose to us poor services. There's poor services and governance. You see, what we are paying for is not value for money. All the services we are paying for is for education, is for whatever you are paying for it. It's not free. And yet, the government is giving us consumers a raw deal and as a citizen. So the best thing is that Ruto should resign and leave us in peace. Otherwise, the country is going to be ungoverned. It's not good for him, it's not good for the citizen, everybody is going to suffer. So it's not a question of the Gen Z, it's a question of the citizen. I have come out to support, not the Gen Z, I'm not coming as Gen Z, about the citizen of this country. That's what I'm saying. If you have any question.
Tell them your name.
I'm called Stephen Owoko. The chairman of the independent candidate and president and presidential aspirant 20.
What's wrong with you guys?
So this what the fuck is going on? What's wrong with these guys? Why are they doing that?
So what's your take on police with civilians?
The police are supposed to provide security. The purpose why we notified the police that there's going to be a demonstration so that they provide security so that people does not inflict the demonstration, the hooligans, and destroying or kill or maim other people. So the police is supposed to provide security. That is the purpose of the police, not to terrorize. the peaceful demonstrators. It is enshrined in our constitution. This is what I'm saying. So it's wrong. At the end of the day, the police were protected. You see, you remember the people who killed Bebo Pendo. Now they're going to be tried in court. And the people who told them to do so are now
free.
Free. So even this policeman, in the long run, justice takes very slow. The wheels of justice in this country is very slow. But at the end of the day, it catches up with the people. We wonder what is happening. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Violence generates violence. You see? This is what I'm planting. And when you plant this in the people who are already depressed, what happens? They become revolutionists. When you oppress a wise man, he becomes a fool. You oppress a poor man, he becomes a revolutionist. And this is what is happening. And it will happen. It's not a matter of when, or if, it's a matter of when. It's very unfortunate. Thank you. Boss.
So thank you so much for those who've joined. Please take a minute or two to subscribe, or take a second or two to subscribe, because we are really